Do you want to invite people to like a Facebook page? You can invite friends to like Facebook business page with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To invite people to like a Facebook page, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu or your profile picture. Now, scroll down and tap on Pages. From here, select the page on which you want to invite people to like. You can also open any Facebook page by using the search feature. If you see a switch option, please ignore it. If you switch the profile to page, you can invite friends. Once on your page, tap the 3 dots menu. A new screen will appear. Tap on Invite Friends. Now, a list of your Facebook friends will appear. Tap on the checkbox next to the friends you want to invite. You can also invite 1,000 people at once by tapping Select All. After selecting, tap on the Send Invites button at the bottom of the screen. After inviting, your friends will receive an invitation notification to like your page.